Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Chemical Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your financial information. Collect your bank statements, bills, and pay stubs. Open the Chemical Bank website or app. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the budgeting tools available. Select the option to create a new budget. Input your total monthly income. List all your fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities. Include variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Allocate funds for savings and emergencies. Review your budget and make adjustments as needed. Set realistic financial goals to keep you motivated. Utilize the tracking feature to monitor your spending. Regularly update your budget to reflect any changes in income or expenses. Consider using alerts to stay on top of your spending limits. Stay disciplined and stick to your budget to achieve your goals. Remember to review your budget monthly for improvements. Celebrate your progress and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.